So here's just a quick demonstration of some new features in Tomato 2. So first thing I can do is go to my preferences and I can set up a keyboard shortcut. The one I prefer is Command-Shift=. Now, if I close the app and press this shortcut, it comes up in the menu bar with this nice new menu. It just shows the current time and it gives you a couple keyboard shortcuts so that you can control your Tomato app without even using your mouse. So if I press S, it starts the Tomato. Let me check that menu again. And here I see that it has started and I can stop it, pause it, or for example, switch to the short break now using N key. One more thing I can do if I bring up this menu is press O, and it'll just give me the main app, so I can control it with the full UI and maybe set a goal. Again, keyboard shortcut to stop it. Pretty easy, huh?